Hello my beauties, I hope you guys are having a great day and I am so happy to be here with you guys in another video. And like you guys can tell from the title, I will be showing you guys what I bought with only $100 from a few of the stores. And you guys might say, well, $100 is a lot. But to be honest, I think you could spend $100 on like 3 items and then you're done. I did a challenge to get as much as I could with the $100. With my $100, I will be leaving the prices here. I don't want to waste time kind of looking for the price and stuff like that, so I'll make sure I'll leave it here on the screen somewhere. So this shirt I actually bought from Charlie Rose. I'll be showing you guys my past me recording all these videos and stuff like that. I really love this shirt because it was kind of like a informal because it's like a crop top, but it wasn't too short. It has this thing in the front that is really cute, and in the back side it's like this elastic that makes it, you know, like not very tight. And the next thing is my skirt. I am loving this skirt. Actually Charlie Rose, these 2 items are from Charlie Rose, and Charlie Rose had a lot of denim stuff, so it is in style right now during the summer, and it always like comes back somehow. I really like this skirt because it's high-waisted, and it has like the bottom part like they just cut it. So my beauties, the next thing up is going with the denim trim. It's this dress. And the next item is some pants that I really like, and one of the reasons I really like this pair of pants is because of the color, and I don't have any pants that are this color. The ones I did have ripped, so you know, this was a perfect opportunity, and they have this at the end. You might say like, Janet, you could do this, but you know what, it does not end up being the same thing, guys. It really isn't, so I'll leave it to the professionals. And then right now you guys are gonna see here in the video also this black shirt. It's super basic, but it's those basic shirts that I know I'm gonna wear with everything, you know, cardigans, just something I just want to throw on just by itself. Like, I just see me wearing it a lot. I had a black shirt and it just ripped as well, like from the front, and I was like, no. So it wasn't exactly like this, but one of the other reasons I really like it is because of the back. If you guys know me, you guys know that I am obsessed with the back of shirts being like some type of way, not just like normal. So I don't know, my shirts are basic but have to have something different. I love the next item is this pants that you guys are going to be seeing here. Some navy blue pants. I thought they were perfect for work. They're also perfect just to wear on your regular day. Honestly, they look super comfortable, and they keep on okay. And I love this part at the top. If you guys can see, it's different. It looks cute. I definitely see myself wearing it with the white shirt. So it has those little details. And something else I got at TJ Maxx is workout shirts. I've been using the workout shirts that I have for a really long time in my pants and everything, and I really don't mind it. But I was really looking for like more tank tops and like loose and stuff for like this summer. So I was able to find some for really cheap, and it came in two different colors, and these are the ones that you guys are seeing right now at this. Oh my beauties, one of the last things I bought with my $100 was 2 lipsticks, one from Stila and the other one from Urban Decay, and they were both at TJ Maxx. So you guys can imagine they were definitely cheap than the normal, like so I think one of them, so the Stila one was $4.99, which is pretty cheap, and the Urban Decay was as well $4.99. So yeah, so I am super happy. The tones are super nice. Look at this. Oh, I love the color. This one, the Stila one, is a little dark, which is the one that I have on right now. But yeah, I love it. I think I definitely got my money's worth. The typical Mexican se le llama el pilón. So this is called el pilón, which is like, alright, like something extra, you know. So we went to H&M because my husband had not finished his $100, because, you know, this was a challenge to not pass $100 and to see how much we were able to buy with $100. It was just like a little thing between us. So we went to H&M, and I saw something I really loved. So he stretched $20 more for me. I did have 2. It ended up being 22, so we're good. I'm super happy because I've been wanting like one of these jackets for a really long time. And for some reason, I just hadn't seen one that I really like. Sometimes they have too many colors, or they have like something in the front, and this one was just white and I just liked it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and, you know, challenge yourself. Even if you have $20, like how much you can get for that. Can you get a cute outfit for $20? If you guys would like to see more of these videos, please let me know here down below in the comments. Maybe I could do a little challenge with like $10 or $20, I don't know. Let me know what you guys would like to see. Don't forget to share this video if you really liked it, to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And hope to see you guys next time.